What to do? Back yet again with a heartbreaking video. Man, I was looking so good. I was looking so good today. I'm gonna be filling out my journal as I'm giving you this trade recap. I almost today broke even on the account today, meaning I would have been back at a fresh account at 50,000, but price reversed at an unlikely time. So I ended up taking a $46 loss today, which is not that bad, but it was going to be such a nice win. It was like a 360 take profit. But yeah, so what went wrong with this trade? Well, I'll start by saying I found my bias, which was bearish, through two confluences. We had right here, I'm going to get rid of all this jimmer jabber here. We had a CRT where we had our first setup candle. We had a sweep and then a close with inside the range, so I knew we were going to be a little bearish today. The trends on the 1 and 4 hour are actually on bullish, so I was undecided. Then when the 15-minute range closed, I scoped that out. Well, that's actually a fair value gap, but I had the original range, and we closed out of the range on a 5-minute candle, so I knew we were bearish. I could have entered much better up here, and I bet I wouldn't have gotten stopped just now if I didn't take such a late trade, but I did. So that's on me. But anyway, I'll tell you what I took this trade off of. I was really just waiting for a closure below the previous low. So on the 1 minute, I took my trade right after we closed beneath this low, right here. I even marked out exactly where I took it. And man, it looks like I would have gotten stopped out, but my stops were actually up here above these highs. So I really had like a 1 to 1.5. It wasn't that good, but I mitigated. And yeah, we were almost at take profit. There's a super, super strong imbalance right here with liquidity on it and with inside of it. So I thought we were going to be targeting that. We might still be targeting that, but it does not look like that right now because we have just broke structure on the 5-minute, and that's what stopped me out. Damn, I am so heartbroken at this trade. This is just a hard pill to swallow, but I would like to say I was pretty calm through the whole trade. I was definitely getting a little anxious when it was doing all this buy movement, but it is what it is. We had a great 5-minute Fibonacci retracement from swing to swing. We tapped up in past the equilibrium, which is the halfway point, like your selling point. You're buying at a premium or you're selling at a discount. I'm sorry. You're selling at a premium and you're buying at a discount. So we tapped into that and it reacted perfectly. So when we, broke past it, I was able to hide it and understand that we were properly moving in the direction I thought we were going to. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. We also disrespected this fair value gap here, which was really nice to see. And we continued great pressure. Maybe I should have been more tentative when we broke right here, when we disrespected this fair value gap. But it is what it is. But yeah, that was me today. Super simple. I wonder, I just don't want to see it rip to my take profit now. But I just have a feeling it's going to. Ugh. Gosh, that's so hard to see. I was so. I kind of got hooked. Like, just a little bit. Like, I kind of did. This is why they say trading is gambling. Because you can follow the rules and still lose. That's just the way the world works, right? I could have easily taken profits down here. But I did not. It is what it is. I'm going to go through and finish out my journal. I don't think that's appropriate for the video, so because I just explained it all to you. But yeah, we had our liquidity sweeps. I set up our fib. Had a nice fair value gap up here, which filled at the top of this retracement. Put right into here. Confirmed closure on the 1 minute. Took the trade. Let price ride, and it just did not work out in my favor. Yeah, but with that being said, you guys have a good one. Deuces.